fruits and vegetables.
I will eat fresh fruits and vegetables.
I will avoid junk food to stay strong and happy.
I will avoid junk food to stay strong and happy.
Thank you, Kainas.
Very good.
Class assembly. Now I will request Sarika ma'am to say few words.
Have silence in the hall. So for that, what we need to do? Yes, you will just zip your legs and only speak when I'll ask. Sit straight, back straight, hands. Yes, you can put your hands like this. So can I have attention this side also? Because we are seeing which side is going to be the best. So this is row number 1, 2 and 3. So we will see which is the best rows. Alright? So first of all, I want to know that just now you took a pledge. So what's a pledge? Someone from here? What's a pledge? Yes.
Pledges you promise something and you will always do it.
Wonderful. So a pledge is a promise. And if you break promises,
You make a sin.
yes? Everyone? Yes. If we break the promise, everyone will get sad. So, yes. So to remain happy, if we promise to do something, what should we do? We should follow our promise. We should keep our promise. And what we have, we should not break our promise. Promise breakers are?
Very bad.
So that is just a phrase. But what did we pledge today? What did we pledge? What promise we have made? Anyone from row 2? Yes. Wonderful. Let's clap for her. We all have made a promise to ourselves. You know, we have made a promise to ourselves that we will eat only healthy food. We will try to avoid junk food. So we will eat junk food very minimal. Once in a month you can enjoy that. Yes? So, to remain healthy, to remain energetic, to remain fit, we need to have? No. Now row 3 will tell me, what do we need to eat to remain healthy? Yes.
Healthy food and vegetables and fruits.
Wonderful. Yes.
We should eat eggs and fruits and vegetables.
Wonderful.
We should balance a balanced diet.
Very nice.
And vegetables more like onion and salad, cucumber, beets, eggs and milk.
Wonderful. Let's clap for her. What's your name? Yes. Yes.
We should eat chicken and meat and fish.
Wonderful.
We should eat milk cakes. We should eat body pills too.
Yes.
We should eat chicken and meat.
That can be a part of your diet.
We should do exercise and eat healthy.
Wonderful. Clap for him. So, if we keep eating, but we don't exercise, what will happen? We will become fat. And when we become fat, then what happens? What happens if we become fat?
We can be tired then.
Very good. Because if we are fat, we will not be able to run fast, we will not be able to do our work fast,
Then you can get the disease.
you can get some disease. Yes? Fat? Fat people can't sit on the ground. Wonderful.
Fat people can also not touch the ground.
Yes. Have you all tried touching the ground? So, very good. That is why, children, it's very important. Now, there is one more thing which I will tell you. The children told us we are eating food, we are eating vegetables, we are eating fruits, we are eating all eggs and everything. But there is one element in our diet, one part, one thing which does not have any nutrition, but we must have that. That is, our body is made 70% of that thing. Very good. Everybody knows? So our body is made up of how much of percentage of water? 70%. So then what should we do to keep that water maintained in the body?
We should drink plenty of water.
We should drink.
6 to 8 glasses.
Yes. We should drink
6 to 8 glasses
of water. And also we can include liquids in our diet. So that also makes for your water intake. So if you don't take 8 glasses of water, but you take a glass of juice, 1 glass of lassi, 1 glass of lemonade, those are also very, very good options. Sometimes we don't feel like having just plain water.
Glasses of water keep us healthy.
Yes. So we have understood the importance of healthy diet. Yes.
When we will not drink water, we will get thirsty.
You will get thirsty, and there is one word we say, we are feeling dehydrated. What are we feeling? And when we feel dehydrated, we feel weak, we get a headache. Usually you are going to the infirmary and saying, I am having a headache. Why we are having? Because our body is losing water when we sweat. When we go out and play, we are sweating. So the water is going out of our body. And then what happens? There is loss of water in our body, and we feel weak and dehydrated. Yes, you want to say something? Yes, that's also a part of being keeping yourself healthy. We need to bathe ourselves every day with cold water. So it shouldn't be very freezing, but normal lukewarm water. Yes, the last one. So children, we need to exercise, but we don't need to go to the gym. Grown-ups can go because they are now grown-ups. And then we don't need to go to gyms. We need to play, we need to do yoga, we need to follow the school sports. We'll be fit. Yes. Now I will request Avnash ma'am. She is also going to tell you a few interesting things.
Yes, children, you know we have discussed something good about healthy eatings. Now you need to tell me how many of you like running? All of us, even I also like running. Children, you must do running. You must do running because if we are eating healthy food, so we should exercise also. Yes. And for you all, you need to start running every day. Okay, children? It gives us sweating होती है ना कितनी running से, and your heart becomes strong. When you are doing running every day, what happens? Your heart becomes strong. How many organs do we have in our body? Yes. And you know, our heart, if we are, and you know, if you are reading books, if you are getting knowledge, your brain becomes strong. Okay? If you are eating healthy food, your stomach does not get upset. Okay? And if you are running and if you are exercising, then your heart becomes strong. Yes. And do you know, somebody was saying that we should always, there should be no pollution. Yes. So pollution, have you seen pollution in the city? Yes. But wherever there is a lot of plants, there are a lot of trees, there we get clear and good oxygen, and it is very good for our health. Okay. What organ inhales oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide? Anybody knows what the organ हम use करते हैं? Yes. Nose तो हमें ऊपर से body में मिला हुआ है, but inside the body we have lungs. We have lungs which inhales, and then you know इतने सारे इधर filters लगे हुए हैं ना, God ने इतने सारे nose में filters लगाए हुए हैं ना कि lungs inhale only clear oxygen. Okay, and then what we exhale?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Everybody knows? Oxygen and carbon dioxide we exhale. Okay? Yes. So children, we should know, all of us should know more about our body. Okay? How many teeth do we have? Do you have? How many organs? What organ does which thing inside our body? Okay? Do you know pancreas? No. But we know stomach? We know small intestine? We know large intestine? Yes? So if we are learning about healthy eating habit, we should know how our food get digested in our body. Okay, children? We should all know. And if you want to know what we need to do, read more. What we need to do? Read more. Yes. Now I think it's time to wind up. But first we need to appreciate class 2C. A big round of applause for class C. Shruti ma'am, it was very well organized. Yes, children? Yes, it was very thoughtful. We get to know so many things about healthy eatings. Yes, children? And we pledge ourselves that we will be doing and we will be applying in our daily life. Yes? Yes. And now we need to get more knowledge about our body. Yes, children? In this month. Yes, children? Next time we will be sharing very interesting thing, because rainy season has gone. So what is coming now? First पहले autumn आता है. पहले क्या आता है? Autumn. Then winter time. So you know children, after rainy season there are so many mosquitoes come. इतने सारे new mosquitoes आते हैं, है ना? तो sometimes you feel typhoid, है ना? Malaria. Anybody has got this disease? Malaria हुआ, typhoid हुआ, उसके बाद chikungunya. It's a small mosquito bite करता है और we feel so कितना problem हो जाती है. And do you know what are the symptoms? हमें क्या होता सबसे पहले we have a high fever, and then doctor says get your blood test. What doctor says? Blood test कराओ जी पहले अपने. We want to see is it a mosquito bite disease? What else is there? Okay, so children, now whenever you are out in the park in the evening, be very careful. Okay, apply mosquito repellent. What you call Odomos. Okay, because this is the season. September, October is the season when you get these things. Typhoid, malaria, chikungunya, what else? Dengue. daily. And you know it is very difficult to sit at home, sit on the bed, sleep on the bed all the time, and you get very weak हो जाते हो ना, you become very weak, so weak, है ना? So you need to be very careful because this is a season. Yes. So this is the thing what I wanted to share. And children, you need to be very careful if you are going out in the evening. Okay, children? I hope we shared a very important thing today in assembly. Yes. Looking forward to see you next week. Bye, children. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Didis. Thank you, all the teachers. Thank you, Kapil sir. Thank you, Sumit sir. Everybody, thank you and love you all.